the water actually clear, bro.
Ooh, this is not.
Not gonna lie to you, the sun in the Bahamas is hot, hot. So it's in the morning for a beautiful walk. Jamaica. So Abraham basically taking son on a mountain like a lamb to be slaughtered. Oh, the beach are the cutest view. But who you think killed Bob? The world is small. I'm going to say that the world is small, the Caribbean is small. It's literally a pink beach. Have you ever seen a sheep with a tail? What is it? Like if you come to the Bahamas, you definitely need to come to the beach. Also remind me at times with my dad. The beach! Looking quite tropical. Looking like an angel. A man did want me on this trip. He would have stood a chance against mommy. Comforters. So this morning we're going to the beach. So digestive walk. You should try it. So this is what I'm going to church tapping. Lippy is Fenty. The dress is made by my daddy. Hey, good morning. It's Sunday. So we're going to church and this is what I'm going to church this morning. This is what I'm going to church. I don't know if it's clear enough. So, earrings are from Kate Spade. They're so cute. I don't know if I show them. Earrings are from Kate Spade. They're really, really cute. Lippy is Fenty and something from Japan. The dress is made by my daddy. Alright, so we're back home from church. Not going to lie. What did I eye? Something on my eye? No? No. Okay. Not going to lie. Today was really good. Church was really good today. They sing this song. Oh, the night may be weary. Joy is coming, coming, coming in the morning. I can't sing, but I like that song. And today was pretty good at church. Anyways, I'm gonna have some fruits because I left my fruits this morning from breakfast. Gonna have that. Okay, so this morning we're going to the beach. I don't know if this is too bright. Bring it down. Yeah, so we're going to the beach for a church beach fun day. And this is what I'm wearing. My shorts are loose. And this is how I'm looking. Suck in my belly. I'm going to have on sandals and my brown, my beige tote bag. Bend down. I don't know, I look bright. But yeah, so last night was, I don't want to check in last night. Last night was eventful. We sat with the past minister. He was a minister of finance, minister of education and youth and culture, minister of something else. He was like, he had multiple positions. And we sat down and we were talking about him with relationship, politics, life, a lot of stuff. That was quite entertaining and fun. This morning, where are the some look so? Anyways, today we're going to a church beach fun day. I'm excited. Trying to dress as conservative as possible. And I hope we have fun. I am pumping and ready to go. My face like a bit. Looking like an angel. So yeah, I'm excited and ready to go. I'm gonna come closer. I don't know if I'm loud enough, but I'm ready to go to the function. So sorry, my dad checked my glasses again clean. I love these glasses. Sheen, and I love it. Love it. I have on a bracelet and I have on an anklet as well. An anklet I got in Bali. And I don't feel like I can see it. I don't feel like I can see the anklet. I got it in Bali. Really, really cute. Yeah, let's get it. It's from Forever 21. Shorts are from Gap. Really comfy, a bit roomy. I could have got on a size, but they're from Gap. Bye. My face moisturizer. I leave my face moisturizer in Nassau. I know my face very, very dry. Bring down the lights in because it's very bright. We're at the beach. Like the water is immaculate. I didn't make camera go show it properly. But the water, absolutely beautiful. Don't give me no second to none. Stay out of my life. You guys could see like how beautiful the beach is. Like it's absolutely beautiful out here. But I never come up play up on the camera. But the birds are living in my place alone. Let me see. Look how low the... Oh, the water feels so good. God damn. God damn. Literally crystal clear. Them have the banana boat in it. But the water... Alright, we're turning over right now, so I'm gonna walk along the beach. Ooh, them have a swim something. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Man, I'm have a swim song. I don't know if it's too bright from the forehead. Massage booth. That's pretty cool. Them have swing song. And of course you have the gazebos. Cabana. I don't remember gazebo. I'm not sure. I say about the beach here. It's absolutely beautiful. Before it looks shine, but it's absolutely beautiful here. The water actually clear, bro. Clear. The sun though. Not gonna lie to you, the sun in the Bahamas is hot, hot.
You're weak.
My God!
Wow. Them said I don't have beach sport. Where's the sports at? I look cute though. And I'm in shorts. Alright. We're gonna turn back in now. Say, at the first me I travel with mommy and mommy obsessed with me. Me not gonna lie. Everywhere I go, mommy's there. Look at her trying to follow me, wondering where I went. If one man did want me on this trip, he would have stood a chance against mommy. Mommy follow me and see? I'm a G still. I'm a G. Then me and me a video shady.
You touch it already?
Yeah. You can see me? It's dark?
Yeah.
Water feels absolutely amazing. Like if you come to the Bahamas, you definitely need to come to the beach. I was saying that my swimsuits are not church friendly, so I'm gonna bring my swimsuit today. I'm gonna swim before, so I'm gonna bring my swimsuit today. But I wish I could have seen how clear. I'm gonna talk about my video. How clear the water is. Absolutely beautiful. I wish I brought my swimsuit though. Come, I'm gonna be a body on the beach. Right here. Swing song, swing song. We're on the swing song. We're on the swing song. Swing song. Mom and I are on the swing song. Swing song. Okay, so we're done with the beach, and baby, hello. Yes. Oh, that's her. So today was. I'm sorry, I just burped. But today was quite fun. Short. I don't know if they can see me. But we're trying to go and play Ludi right now. They're gonna recruit me to play Ludi. Can I play Ludi? No, but let's see. This is where the rich and the wealthy lives. They have their own canal to ride the boat, drive the boat in. And then the house is over there. So I was in the morning for a beautiful walk. And it was amazing. Alright people, so it's been a minute. I haven't checked in with the camera, but it has been fun so far. We're still in Freeport. What happened? One of the last thing we checked in with when we went to the beach. The beach was pretty cool. I told her that I love the water here, and I definitely have to go to the beach on my own with my own swimsuit, because going with the church, I didn't think my swimsuit was appropriate for that setting. However, people did out there in a bikini. I mean, them did out there in a modest swimsuit, but me think differently. Anyways, we went there, and then after we went for a games night with some family and friends, and that was pretty fun. We had jerk chicken, festival, escabeche fish, juice, and then after that we played some games and stuff like that. Hold on, yeah. So after that, well, my face was crazy, but after that we played some games, and somewhere had karaoke session. And listen, that was something else. I'm going to probably include some clippings here, but it was so fun. We had karaoke, and then we had this phone game, flip it up, flip it down, if you get it right or wrong. That was exciting. That was really yeah, they were pretty cool. And then we sang Marley and stuff like that, and that was really fun. Totally reminded me at times with my dad. Yeah, I really miss my daddy. That was really fun. I spent some time there. I tried veggie chunks. Jamaicans know veggie chunks. I tried veggie chunks, but the cook here, she made it with curry sauce, and it was really, really good. Still, veggie chunks, it just tastes a bit different. No. I chose chicken over the veggie chunks yesterday. Watch Bob Marley movie, not the new one, but watch the one. It's a docu-series. It's a documentary. Who Shot the Sheriff? That's what we watched. That was really good, really informative, but so beautiful. Just to see the work that Bob put in, and so many people tried to fight him. I don't know. You guys ever watch the documentary? Who Shot the Sheriff? Who shot the sheriff? Who do you think really killed Bob? After dinner, we went for this thing called a digestive walk. So it's basically after you eat, before you go to bed and all of the food just sit on you, you'd go for a walk and just get your intestine moving and get your body moving so you could digest better. I'm not gonna lie, we went for a walk for an hour, We walk to the beach and we're standing there relaxing. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. When me get old, I feel have one house near the beach. And we all know I love water. And then we got back home and I drank some water and I actually digested. So digestive walk, you should try it. On a farm. We're on the farm that have sheep. It's a chicken farm. There's a doggy. Wherever the feed is, that's where they're going. Chicken farm. Look at the chickens. Look at the chickens. I don't know if my video coming up clear. But we're on a chicken farm. What do we think for? Weed. You hear them? They're like some massive piggies, but I was helping to record for somebody, so I didn't record.
Of course. You can go right there. And for me, I pick the largest ones.
Have you ever seen a sheep with a tail? That kind of weird, right? A sheep with a tail. Look at that. Look at the tail. What is it? I guess this is the entire in the streets away. Trying to find a fish fry. We're at fish fry. Alright, so we're at a fish fry place and we're trying to find some wings. We're trying to comforters. It is a surface fritters. Jamaica.
First person we got is like 2 minutes.
And I have that music playing and people dancing.
Like, are you ready? Like,
Like a bar section. So you get your set right there. We got fish, sweet potato bread, and macaroni. Thank you. Alright, so we have fish, fried fish, Bahamian rice, macaroni, sweet potato bread, and beer. We're gonna try them and see the taste. We tried the fish, but the fish very salty. The sweet potato pudding was really good. It looked very greasy and oily, like the fish. Salty, but it's fresh fish.
You know, even when I'm in Jamaica, I just see that KFC or Burger King.
Yeah, they never use the Wendy's and
So,
say,
more like,
So we're having Burger King today. Them have a drink called gumbo. So we have the. So this is a gumbe. Kind of fresh. Pineapple soda. They call it gumbe. It's fresh, but minimani.
ooh, this is not.
Hey guys, so I haven't checked in with you guys in a really long time. Well, focus. Like There we go. So I haven't checked in with you guys. Alright, so I haven't checked in with you guys in a long time. What have I been doing? Turn on the brightness. My face look wild. Whoa. Alright. So I haven't checked in with you guys in a minute because I just been doing stuff under a coconut tree. But what's been happening? We went to, I think the last time I checked in, we went to a farm. And the farm was good. And then after the farm, we went fish fry. Fish fry was really nice. I think the fish was a bit salt, but fish fry was good. And then after fish fry, what did we do? We didn't do much, but yeah. Dinner tonight. I'd like to have, we're having dinner again along the beach. Look at the beach right there. It's beautiful. Yeah, having dinner tonight along the beach, looking all cute. Let me say I look bright. I look bright. I look bright. So having dinner along the beach tonight. Let me get one good outfit check. Hi guys, so we're going for dinner tonight. I don't have a bag like away, but it's supposed to be cold, so that's why I have a sweater. Come on, let's go for dinner. Shorts Zara, top JW Anderson. Come on. Take video, see? Mommy will want to take picture. Anyways, taking a view. This is the place, look. Are the cutest view, guys. This beach is so freaking cute. Look at the pinkness of it. That's dope. That's cute. Alright, so we're having crack conch, coleslaw, Bahamian rice, peas and rice. Oh, it's gunga peas. It look like gunga peas. And some tartar sauce, I think. Hi guys, so it's Sunday. I haven't checked in a hot minute. What's been going on? I went to church today, but I want to show my outfit. Let me see if I can show my outfit. Church was pretty good. They were talking a lot about like what do you consider worship to be, and obedience. Yeah, and the Bible lesson, which was quite interesting. Like, me know my daddy know the Bible from front to back, right? And he would talk a lot about it. But he always have some sort of theatrics to go with it. So the Bible verse basically was saying how Abraham had one son, Isaac, and God asked him to sacrifice his son. Sorry. So Abraham basically took his son on a mountain like a lamb to be slaughtered, right? So him never question it though. He never have no doubts. He never have no question or nothing like that. Him just follow what God say. God say, take him son, go up there upon the mountain, sacrifice the son. And while he was going up, his son was like, we have wood, we have fire, basically, but we don't have no lamb, we don't have nothing. What we're going to slaughter upon the mountain, like what we're going to cook upon the mountain. You get me? What are we going to sacrifice? And the father was like, no worry about that. Don't worry about that. Deep down, the father knows that he's going to be the one to be sacrificed. But he's trusting that God, you know, are going to provide something else based on his obedience. He's going to provide something else like a lamb to be sacrificed when they get to the mountain. Anyways, it's so said, so done. You know, when he reached the mountain, tie up his son, ready for roast up his son now. You know, God say, stop. Here's a lamb, whatever. So yeah, basically about obedience. Well, I don't know if it bright enough. I don't know if it bright enough, but yeah, I think it bright enough. So anyways, so that was the Bible. That was basically what church was about today. What else happened? I'm gonna check in about a whole heap of things. We went to a restaurant last night, La Rock. The food was really good. I tried crack conch very popular here, and that was really good. I love Bahamian peas and rice. So we have rice and peas in Jamaica, and they have peas and rice. Basically with gunga peas. I think they put like browning in it in their rice, and that was really good. What else? I love their beer. They have this Radler, I think that's the name of the brand. And I tried the guava, and that was really good. What else happened today? Not today, before that. Went to a farm. I don't ever commented. I talk about a farm, but the farm experience was really good. They have some huge pigs. That was quite interesting. I don't know if I took much video because I was helping my cousin to take some photos for. I was taking some photos of him. But I had a lot of chickens. They're very organic, so they use their manure to help with their plants and trees and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm looking at the video. I don't know if I'm looking at the camera properly. But, you know, they don't let anything go to waste there. Oh, I'm going to see some sheep. You ever see sheep with tail? I'm going to do one video right there at that point in time. Sheep have tail. That was quite interesting. See my look? Quite bright. Anyways, my out here at the sun. What else? Went to the farm. The lady here made coconut drops, and that was really, really good. And then we went to the market one day, and I bought coconut drops from my Haitian lady, and that's my mom and I bought girl one. She not left me out tonight anymore day. She got today. But anyways, we went to the market, the farmer's market, and we had I bought coconut drops, and that was nice. That was really nice. Alright, so back to what did I say? So we tried gumbe at Burger King. It tastes like pineapple soda, Jamaican pineapple soda. It was okay. It's a bit fresh, but it says very refreshing, so that's the good point. What else? Their coleslaw here is really good. Tomorrow I'm going to the dolphin experience, and that is supposed to be really fun. I'll probably go to the flea market as well. So let's see how the day progresses for tomorrow. What else? I was talking about coconut drops. Yeah, they made it here. It's really, really good, and I love coconut drops. Coconut drops is basically they cut up the coconut and then they boil it in sugar and stuff like that, and I love it for like just sit and it get firm. All along I thought you had to bake coconut. You don't have to. It's straight on the stove top. What else? What else? What else? What else has been going on? It's been good. It's been good. I know a lot of clips you probably see, like random clips of stuff that I didn't remember to talk about. Let me insert. I discovered one girl who used to go to my high school, then went to my university. She is actually a distant cousin somewhat. Yeah. The world is small. I'm going to say that. The world is small, the Caribbean is small. Yeah. We're probably all family in some way, shape, or form.
So this is carrot cake. Strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Homes.
Remember to like, comment, and share, guys. Like, comment, and share. Bye. Looking at some stuff to do in Freeport. I saw that they have the Pig Beach here, so I'm going to try that maybe tomorrow or the day after. What else I saw? There's this mangrove place. I'll probably go there with my mom, maybe. So I want to go to the Pig Beach, the mangrove place. Today we're going to the fish fry thingy, and I'm also going to a chicken farm, and so we're going to do that today. I want to go to the Pig Beach, the mangrove place. They said there's a restaurant here with a great view. I probably try that. Or they said there's a restaurant here you can feed sharks, so I probably try that one out of the two. And what else? Ooh, and feeding the dolphins. So yeah, those are the things I'm going to try. I'm still looking online like where I want to do it, and then after that it is to find how to get there, and I want a SIM card, so I'm going to do those stuff in the next couple of days. It's been really good so far. Can't lie, it's a bit hot. Outside at the beach is really hot, but it's a bit hot. Bye. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Remember to like, comment, and share. D loves you. Bye.